Lotus Emira carbon fiber arch guard install. We offer the arch guards in ABS gloss black plastic and gloss twill carbon. Heading over to the front of the vehicle first, you will see that you have the two original pop rivet plastic plugs here. They are almost impossible to screw out. So what you're going to do using a little pick tool or a flathead screwdriver is you're just going to get it behind the front of the little pin. You will then be able to pull the pin out, and then once you've got the pin out, you will then be able to wiggle the little pin and pull out the plastic rivet plug. We supply new plastic rivet plugs which are slightly longer for the front arches and on the rear arches themselves. The wheels do not need to be removed on the front and the rear to install the arch guards. Let's go ahead and get them fitted up. And that is the front arch guards all fitted up. With the Emira kit, you're going to receive two different types of plastic rivet plugs. The plug shown is to be used on the front arches. You may need a helping hand. You're going to hold the arch guard close and securely up against the arch. You're going to then insert the rivet plug. Using a flat surface like the back of a screwdriver, you're going to be able to push the pin heads through. The bottom ones are a little tighter and you may need a helping hand to assist you getting those in, as they can be quite tight. We recommend for high speed and track customers to insert a small little self-tapper screw into the plastic arch, the fabric arch liner, to make sure they are rock solid and secure at super high speeds. This is also included with the kit. Let's move on and get the rears fitted up. Moving on to the rear, same as the front, you have two plastic pop rivet plugs in place. You are going to remove the originals using a flathead screwdriver or a little pick tool, and then we are going to go up and fit the rear arch guards. With the rears, you have new replacement plastic rivet plugs, which are slightly longer to accommodate for the arch guards. Let's go ahead and get them installed. And that is the rear arch guards all installed securely. Same as the fronts, you are going to push in the plastic flathead rivet pins. They are super secure. Once secured, you are able to also slide them in and out of the arch liner ever so slightly for your desired fitment and how much you would like them to protrude out of the arches themselves. For our customer today, we are going to have them on the narrower of settings. Customers also opted to have them on the narrow setting on the front as well.